All right, what's up, YouTube? Hey, I want to introduce everybody to my brand new channel, Domesticated Hillbilly. And hey, I started this channel. You know, I get into a lot of projects. Most of the time, I don't know what I'm doing. And I figure while I'm doing it, I might as well video it and see if you guys can learn something along with me. Throughout this whole channel and the life of this channel, I have no idea what I'm doing with it, along with the whole videography and editing, and you'll have to bear with me on that. At some point down the road, there's going to be a video on how I'm doing it, and what I'm using, how I started, and how I got the YouTube up and going. That's going to be a little while. Here's my sidekick, Mia. She'll be in most of the videos with me, probably. Say hi, Mia. Say hi, Mia. No, actually say hi, YouTube. Besides everything I said in the beginning of this video, eventually I want to do some music stuff on this. Erica, who doesn't want to be in the video, keeps talking. Eventually I want to put some music stuff on this channel. If it turns into actual music and I get my actual studio put back together and built, I'll probably start another channel on that, because what's so funny now? I'm sure I will. My wife and her friend are out here hoping I trip over all my kids' stuff. But eventually, I'll probably start doing some music stuff on here, because I'm actually a halfway decent musician. And I have a pretty good studio in boxes and piles and stuff buried upstairs in my house. And once the wife got pregnant, took the studio down, moved our bedroom, and everything kind of got packed up. For the most part, this channel is going to be DIY. Following me around, seeing how I do my own hillbilly repairs and fixes, and probably the wrong way for most professionals, but it usually ends up working out right for me. Your average homeowner, jack of all trades, master of none kind of deal. What's up, YouTube? I want to introduce you. What's up, YouTube? I want to introduce you all to my new channel. What's up, YouTube? I want to introduce you all to my new channel. What's up, YouTube?